This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll explore how Notion can become your ultimate travel companion. To begin, simply create a new page or a dedicated database for your upcoming adventure. Notion offers a variety of pre-built templates that can jumpstart your planning, saving you valuable time. Make sure to define essential categories such as your travel dates, estimated budget, and a list of exciting activities you plan to enjoy. This initial setup provides a solid foundation for all your trip details. Next, let's craft a detailed itinerary. You can easily design a day-by-day schedule, noting specific times and locations for each activity. Keep all your crucial travel logistics in one place. This includes flight numbers, accommodation booking references, and any rental car information. Notion allows you to link important documents, like e-tickets or hotel confirmations, directly to your plan. This ensures every piece of information is just a few clicks away, making your journey smoother. Effective budget management is key to a stress-free trip. Set clear financial limits for different expense categories, such as dining, transportation, and entertainment. Notion's database features make it simple to track every expenditure as you go, helping you stay within your planned budget. Additionally, create a comprehensive packing checklist within your Notion page. This ensures you remember everything from your passport to your favorite pair of socks, preventing any last-minute forgotten items. Finally, Notion excels in collaboration and accessibility. Easily share your entire travel plan with family or friends, allowing everyone to contribute and stay informed. You can access your Notion pages on any device, even offline on your mobile phone or tablet, which is incredibly useful when internet access is limited. Plus, with an internet connection, any updates you make are instantly synchronized, ensuring everyone always has the most current version of your exciting travel adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.